we're going to show you how to manually cycle the knife gate on an IBC-3000. In order to open it fully, both solenoids need to be energized at the same time. So you got a small screwdriver, the tip. There will be a white override button located on the solenoid on the coil. Just press both of them, and the gate will be fully open. To test the dribble, remove the screwdriver from set point 1 solenoid, and the gate will close halfway. Remove the screwdriver from set point 2, and the gate will close completely. That's how you test the knife gate on an IBC-3000.